Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn front-end estimation together, step by step. Here's a trick shoppers use every day. Look at the front digit of each number, replace the rest with zeros, and add. Those leading digits carry most of the value, so your estimate is already in the right neighborhood, fast and surprisingly close. Let's try 312 plus 285. Front digits give us 300 and 200. Add those. 300 plus 200 is 500. That's your base estimate, built in one quick glance. Want it sharper? Peek at the next digits, the tens. 312 has 1 10. 285 has 8 tens. So that's 10 plus 80, which is 90. Add it to your base. 500 plus 90 is 590. The exact answer is 597, only 7 away. Now you think along. 487 plus 226. Front digits. 400 plus 200 is 600. Adjust with the tens. 80 plus 20 is 100. 600 plus 100 is 700. The exact answer is 713, only 13 off. So here's the whole method. Grab the leading digits first for a quick base, then adjust with the next digits when you need a sharper answer. If the second digits are small, skip the adjustment. One glance, one sum, and you're done before anyone reaches for a calculator. Great work. Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.